Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I am Atar Rahman, your officer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, OB Math Study Care. Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the algebraic expression on chapter 4.3 class 6 English version. Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed some rules regulation and some theoretical question and short question. Now today we discuss about the some proof that show that types of question. One algebraic problem. Suppose number 26. Here given if a square equal to x square plus y square minus z square, b square equal to y square plus z square minus x square, c square equal to x square plus z square minus y square, then we have to prove that আমাদের প্রমাণ করতে হবে যে a square plus b square plus c square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. We have proved that it. So now at first we write the problem যে here given. We should write given. কি লিখতে পারি given যে these are given 26. At first we write the given expression 26 number. Given the given expression. Given a square এত b square এত c square এত. Okay. So L is S. L is S. L is S কত? L is S equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Dear students, a square, b square, c square. What is the value of it? In the previous given the a square equal to eto, b square equal y square plus z square minus x square, c square equal to x square plus z square minus y square. We should putting this value. Putting this value of a square, b square, c square, we get the here a square equal to x square plus y square minus z square plus value of b square y square minus z square minus x square. Value of c square x square plus z square minus y square. Dear students, here if we cutting the negative and positive number, then we get minus z square minus z square minus y square plus y square minus x square plus x square. Then remaining term remain x square plus y square plus z square. This is our RHS, right hand side. কি বলতে বলেছে? Prove that. So we can write proved. This is proved it. Dear students, problem number 26 has been solved. Here the a square, b square, c square, and putting the values of these x a square, b square, c square, we get the cutting the negative and positive number, we get a square, x square, y square, z square equal to RHS. This is the proof. And number 27, here x is equal to 5a, 7b, 9c, y equal to b minus thrice a minus 4c, z equal to c minus twice b plus a. We have to prove that x plus y plus z equal to thrice 3 into a plus twice b plus twice c. How can we prove that? There is student similar way. At first you write given. At first you write given. Here given x equal to y equal to c equal to. So then you write the L is S. L is S. Here L is S equal to x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. So putting the value of putting the values of x, y, z. Here x equal to 5a plus 7b 9c. Putting the value of y, b minus thrice c, sorry, thrice a minus 4c. Putting the value of z, c minus twice b plus a. Dear students, what has done here? এখানে কি করা হয়েছে? Here putting the values of x, y, z. So you write the side note putting the value of x, y, z অথবা putting the values is same. Now you can calculate directly. তুমি সরাসরি ক্যালকুলেট করতে পারো how many a, how many b, how many c. And there are another easy procedure. যে at first you write with bracket a 5a plus minus 3a plus a. অর্থাৎ in you write with the bracket a term, b term, c term. The expression of a, expression of b, expression of c. You can write the similar way. The term of a in a box and term of b is another box. So b 7b plus b minus twice b. A similar way you can write c 9c minus 4c plus c. Dear student, plus c. Putting the value we get 5a plus a. According to the rules of Bodmash, at first we should adding or subtracting. Which term should be done at first? You should done at first at which is addition, then subtraction. So 5a plus a equal to 6a, 6a minus thrice a, 6a minus thrice a, that means thrice a. 7b plus 8b minus twice b, 6b. 9c plus c, 10c, 10c minus 4c, 6c, 6c. If you taking common the all of the terms you get, you can taking common 3. You can take common 3, then it will be a plus twice b plus twice c, which is the RHS, which is the RHS. But you in your copy you write is the one line after below the other line. Then you should not write the side by side, because lack of on my place of my board I write the here in side to side, but you should write one below other. This is our problem 70 number 27 has been solved. Our next problem, dear students, this is our another problem. In the previous two problem we have done on the addition থেকে আমরা দুইটা প্রবলেম করেছি, and the problem number 36 it is actually it is the problem of subtraction on class 6 exercise 4.3 algebraic expression. Here given a equal to x square plus z square, b equal to y square plus z square, and c equal to y square plus x square plus y square, so that a plus b minus c equal to 2z square. Dear students, in the previous math we have only addition of the problem, but now it has coming the another sign is subtraction. So how can we prove this problem? So there's a similar item. You can write L is at first you write given this, given a equal to b equal to c equal to, and then write L is key a plus b minus c. So putting the value of a, b, c, putting the value of a equal to x square plus z square, b equal to y square plus z square. But student, notice that here is the minus sign, so you can write, you can use bracket here in the before the c term, c equal to x square plus y square. Why I write here the bracket on this, why I given the bracket on the before of the c term? Because this is the minus sign. For this minus sign, if you use directly minus x square plus y square, it will be wrong. যদি মাইনাসটা সামনে রেখে এই টার্মটাই লেখো, then it will be wrong. So you should write the bracket before the before every you should bracket the if have any minus sign before the term, then you should write bracket. You should given the bracket. So our next function, x square z square y square plus z square. Here minus, if you multiplying the minus sign, there every term will be opposite sign. So here x is plus sign, y square is plus sign, so it will be minus x square minus y square. If we multiply by minus, then every term will be opposite sign. X square will be minus x square and plus y square become minus y square. Now cutting this term, x square plus x square minus y square plus y square, it become 2z square. 2z square, what will be? This is our RHS. This is RHS. Hence the should. If you say it, show it, show this, show that, then you should write should. And if you say it, prove that, then you should write proved. This is the solve. It has been solved, the 36 number problem. Or next, dear students, this is the another problem. This is the 37 number problem on your textbooks 4.3, exercise 4.3. This is the 37 number problem. Here given x equal to a plus b, y equal to b plus c, z equal to c plus a. We have to show that, আমাদেরকে শো করতে হবে y minus z plus y minus x minus y plus z equal to twice a. How can we prove that? This is the similar system. Dear students, this is the similar system. You should write, at first you write given x eto, y eto, z eto, then you write L is equal to x plus x minus y plus z. So putting the values of x, y, z. So if we putting the value of x, a plus b, x equal to a plus b minus. So what has said in the previous, dear student, I have said that if has remain the minus sign, then you should use comma. So I use the comma here. Minus b plus c plus c plus a. So our next term, a plus b, next line will be minus b minus c. In the previous math, I have said that if minus sign before the any term, then every term will be negative sign, opposite sign. B has plus, b will be here, b become minus, and c has plus, and c also become minus, because if we multiply by minus, minus plus a minus, minus plus a minus, minus c, then c plus a. So cutting the similar term, plus c minus b plus b, so it become twice a. This is our RHS. So you should write RHS should. Hence proved. Hence should. Our problem number 37 has been proved. Dear students, this is our another problem number 38. They are given x equal to a plus b plus c, y equal to a minus b minus c, and z equal to b minus c plus a, so that x minus y plus z equal to a plus thrice b plus c. So how can we prove that? It's similar system. This is very easy. So you should write L is x minus y plus z. So putting the value of x, y, z, putting the value of x equal to a plus b plus c. So in the minus sign for we should use bracket a minus b minus c and z equal to b minus c plus a. Putting the কি করেছি dear students, putting the values, কার values বসাইছি, putting the values of x y z. You can write the putting the values of x y z, x y and z লিখতে পারো, then this is the similar, or you should write the putting the values, only putting the values. So our next line will be, dear students, or calculate this, a plus b plus c minus sign. We have said that if we multiplying by minus, every term will be opposite sign. So plus a will be minus a, minus b will be plus a, minus c will be plus c, plus b minus c plus a. Now dear students, if we cutting minus a plus a minus c plus c, so it become, dear students, it has only a, b b b, thrice b, thrice b, and on it has only c, c. This is our right side. Right side should, dear students, we have solved our 37 number problem. Dear students, we have solved some exercise problem number 26, 27, 36, 37, 38 on exercise 4.3. The problem, there are 5 problem has been solved, and I have given your two HW. HW number 1 is W number 2. Please solve this, try to solve this problem on your home, and given to my lecture and by comments, and you show taking the picture and you given the comment box, you should given your picture and I have write it, and have you any problem, then you comments on, then you say in my topics in the comment box. Dear students, thank you very much. We have today we have solved the algebraic expression some problem, and we have given prove that show that types of problem, and next class we have try to solve some creative problem. Thank you. Thanks all. Assalamu alaikum.